9 Acres RV here coming at ya with a brand spanking new arrival. 2023 Keystone Retreat. Model number is 39MKTS. This is an awesome couples unit with 3 slides. Park model, I like it. We got outside speakers, power awning with LED lights. Here's your sliding door. Outside shower here in the rear. Bedrooms in the back. This is a slide for the bedroom. This is underneath your king size bed. Plywood construction. Water heater. Actually, no, that's a furnace. 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. Outside looks great. Let's go inside. All right, walking into the Keystone Retreat. As you walk in that sliding door, of course, you'd have your patio there. Of course, Keystone does provide steps. There is some steps there. I just didn't pull them out. Walking in, and this is what you see. Awesome. 2023. Central vacuum. Wine rack. Wine rack. I think I might be drinking some wine tonight. Okay. 4 chairs and a table. Every single chair has storage. This table does extend. I do want to say something though. I gotta mention this. Whoever buys this, the builder screw in this table too close to that wall. So no problem. We can space it out because there's lots of room right here. And yeah, I checked. My fat butt, a little tight. No worries, we'll fix it. We got some recliners directly in front of the TV. Good spot there for your remote controls. Super tall slides. Sofa in the back that does convert into a bed. Nice end tables with storage. Fantastic fireplace that is throwing out some nice heat. We got the Furrion stereo. Huge TV. And let me show you the storage underneath or behind the TV. So that TV does pull out and will angle the way you want it to. Behind it, lots of storage there to put your VHS or your DVDs. Oh my goodness, am I that old? I think so. All right, pantry right here with an automatic light, motion sensing light. Beautiful. Countertops. Microwave. Let's take a look at the center island. Storage over on this side and lots of it. We got stainless steel sinks, 60/40 with the covers. Love that backsplash. Fridge. And freezer number 1. And freezer number 2. Oh, you even get a nap for your phone. Down the hall. The control panel. Furnace. Opening up right here to the bathroom. That is a porcelain toilet. Nice big sink. Medicine cabinet. Window here in the shower. I just close that door. Lots of storage. Let's see here. Let's go into the shower. We'll open that up. Ta-da! Oh yeah. There's a fan. Just like that. Thank you, Keystone. We appreciate it. All right, so master bedroom up next. I just went through the washroom. Let me go through the hallway door. Underneath the bed is just the screen door for the sliding doors. Yes, folks, this is a king-size bed. You got reading lights on both ends. Those actually turn into blue as well, just for mood lighting, as I would call it. Take a look at this closet. Absolutely huge. Fan, window. Okay, guys, I got some good news for you. You can live in this thing. We got a washer and dryer setup, plugs, storage, more up there. I gotta say, I like it. I like it a lot. And if you like it, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon. Yep, we're gonna fix that. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.